racing. And Sunbury left midfield after all that. Egyptian showing speed out wide. Confederate going through right on the inside, and it will lead. So Confederate the leader. In second spot, Egyptian settling down third as Local Hero. Sunbury is fourth, Dos Santos fifth, and Tribe is sixth behind them. Followed them by Spicy Shore and Angel Miss. Minute Silence. 4 lengths away, Soiree Gem with Bass Cannon and Mischievous Devils at the tail end of the field. 500 left to run as they swing up towards the corner. Confederate the leader. Back on the fences, Dos Santos railing through. 3 out is Local Hero, 4 out Egyptian. Then followed by Tribe. Spicy Shores taking some shortcuts back to the fence, and Sunbury heads the others. It's at the 200 metres mark. Confederate still in front. Trying hard, Dos Santos. Spicy Shore the fence, and then Egyptian. Confederate the leader, 75 to go, breaking clear now by a length to Egyptian and Dos Santos, and Confederate's the one. Confederate beat Egyptian, third Dos Santos, fourth Sunbury. Tribe clocked in fifth, and then Spicy Shore and Angel Miss. A Mischievous Devil behind those. Minute Silence. Local Hero petered out of it. Bass Cannon and Soiree Gem.